What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to do a bit of a natural look for you. I was looking back at like the recent videos that I've done and they all were not really day-to-day wearable looks, and that's fine and all because especially lately I've been really wanting to experiment more with color, but today I decided that I should probably do something geared a little bit more to a natural type of look. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys today. I've got my gas station coffee because ain't nobody got time or money for Starbucks. No. Although I will say that I love Starbucks. It's just expensive. So quite literally everything that I'm using is legit my day-to-day makeup because this is my makeup bag. I am quite literally just picking right out of my makeup bag. So the first thing I want to go ahead and do is prime. Oh, I forgot to do this. I always put like some eye cream on just because I'm not exactly young anymore, okay? And I'm at that age where eye creams are a thing. So if that's any indication to you how old I am, then shut up. Don't tell anybody. I'm just joking. I'm trying a different angle today, and I must say that I'm kind of liking it. I don't know how you guys feel. I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. If you have this, then I hope you like it as much as I do, but you have to shake the crap out of it. It's got like these, almost like a nail polish bottle. It has like these little balls inside of it, and you have to shake it up because otherwise the luminous glitter, whatever you want to call, settles to the bottom. So it's really something you have to do. The mist is so fine. Okay, and of course I'm going to go in with one of my favorites. It's the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer, and I just use this on the center. If you have seen any of my videos before, you will know that I use this every day. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. This is the Colourpop Brow Boss in the shade dark brown. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my foundation. Today I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. This is in the shade N12. The thing that I like about this foundation is that it's buildable. So in certain areas I might need, you know, very little coverage, and in other areas I need more coverage. So that allows me to build up where I need it and then leave the rest of it with just a thin layer. I have so much sun damage from years of not taking care of my skin, and as I get older, the more I enjoy being a vampire basically and not getting any sunlight. So now that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight as well as cream contour. One of my favorite cream contour products is the Milani. This is the Duo, the Contour Highlight Duo. It has a gray undertone as opposed to a more warm undertone, and so I love it. And it blends like a dream. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in with the side of my beauty blender. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with highlight. I'm gonna go in with the No Filter concealer. I did put concealer underneath my contour, and that's only to bring that out a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set this. So lately I've been using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder. So now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of powder contouring. I'm going to use my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. Lightly building up that contour. The thing I like to do a lot is to take my time with blending, because your face, your skin will look the absolute best when you take your time with blending. Now this is my favorite part, because this is a trick that I've been doing for a long time now, and it really just kind of balances out the whole face. Alright, so we're just going to use a fluffy blending brush. This is just from Wet n Wild. It doesn't have a name. But we're going to dip into that contour shade, and then we're going to contour the eyes. See the difference that it makes? It just kind of brings everything together a little bit. The thing that I really like about contouring your eyes is that you can't really mess up. It's foolproof, because these powders are designed to blend out and to be blended in seamlessly, because it's supposed to look like your natural skin. And so using this on my eyes really makes a difference. I do like to add a little bit of color. I do really like plums, and since I'm kind of wearing plum, I thought I would wear a little plum. So I'm just going to go into my Winky Lux palette. This is the Kitten palette. I love this palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and it's amazing. And I'm just going to go in with this shade right here. I'm just going to add just a touch of it to my crease. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to go in and define my eyes just a little bit. This is the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny. This is in Sharp Brown. All I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to smudge it on the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm just going to use a small little blending brush, and we're going to blend that in just a little bit. I'm going to go back in with my Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here above the contour, and I'm just going to dip my finger in there just a little bit, and I'm going to tap that matte shade on the inner portion of my eye. Now that just really brightens up the lid. Now I'm going to go back in with that blending brush that I used earlier and just slightly blend in so there's not such a stark difference. The Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I love this mascara. This is like my third tube maybe. This is the Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. It just kind of makes things look a little bit wider, more wide awake. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is highlight. This is the Laura Mercier Highlight in 01. So it's time to do a little bit of a lip. This is the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Little Stitious. Well, this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!